Let me just stop here for a moment so I can see my video is on. So I can't see that now. Is the light is shining? Okay, cool. Welcome everybody to Town Motolife. I am taking you down a little stretch of Cape Town, which is from Muizenberg to Kalk Bay today, because I'm testing my sound. I have figured out YouTube is the best place for getting knowledge about all these things, about vlogging and making videos and how to do audio. So I am now riding with a little microphone, recording on my phone on the voice recorder and hoping it will work. So this is a lovely town of St. James. The thing is, while the reason I'm basically video recording sideways is because I did not realize I did not have my extra extension on my bike. But I did want to try out how it works, so I am still recording and recording my voice. And you get a nice view of the ocean today instead of the front of my bike. So today is my anniversary, 27 years of independent bike riding, and I still love it. I would have never thought I would end up riding 2 different motorbikes in Cape Town, South Africa. Like I also, even had, when I still had my CBR 600 F4i, I was drag racing in Tilburg, in between the beautiful mountains, taking my bike to over 200 k's an hour. I never thought I would be doing that either, but there I was doing it at the Sharks Rally, which was still on back then. So here we are on the lovely St. James. St. James is a little stretch of road basically in between Muizenberg and Kalk Bay. And there is a school here which is called Star of the Sea, which is at the back of my camera, which you can't see now. And this is always a very busy stretch of road. It's very popular here. Oh. And slowly we are rolling into Kalk Bay. It's a beautiful place here. I really love it. It's basically 15-20 minutes from my house, and it always feels like you're on holiday, and it makes me always realize I actually live in a holiday destination, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, coming from a non-holiday destination in Holland, yeah, this is it's amazing being able to live here and enjoy my life here, do what I love doing, is playing double bass, ride bikes, hang out with my friends, and it's pretty awesome. So here we are, Kalk Bay. It's a nice old town, fisherman's town. They've got a lovely little harbour with the best fish and chips in town, which is Kalkies. It's called Kalkies. So if you're ever down in Cape Town and you get to the stretch of Kalk Bay, go do yourself a favour and get yourself some fish and chips down there, if you can actually get in there, because it's super busy these days. You can see on the left, special dedicated bike parking. Every now and then you find them. We're approaching the harbour now. You should be able to see that on the camera now. And down there is Kalkies. The railway line runs all the way along the ocean here, which is probably very nice. I've never taken it myself, but it's quite nice to just chill in the train and see everything come by. I know Stephen used to live in Glencairn when he was growing up, which is further down the peninsula, and then he would go to school up the line, as we say here, in Swanswijk High School. It was used to be a very Afrikaans school, and he used to take the train up and down every single day, seeing whales and whale season and seals. So me as a European here in South Africa, I was like, oh my god, it's a whale, oh my god, oh my god. And he's like, yeah, no, seen there, been there, done that kind of thing. Way in the distance, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, we see the other side of the Falls Bay, which is Pringle Bay, and which is the Roy Els Road, which I will be doing soonish as well, to show you that side, because it's the most awesome road ever. Doggies! Aww. And I love my dogs, that's how it goes. It's a beautiful stretch of road. I was talking about Roy Els, so I'll be going there soon as well. And it's just a beautiful stretch of road. The tar is amazing, the cornering is great. I'm not that much into cornering. I tend to just stick behind the car and blame it on the car going slowly, but actually I don't want to go much faster. Okay, and I need to just wait for everybody to move so I can turn. Off we go. And now I'm going to switch off because I'm going to head home. I'm going to go via Boys Drive, but then you're just going to be watching forest all the time. Today we have the shark spotters who are keeping watch over the surfers downstairs. Look at this beautiful bay. It's so awesome. It's gonna move along a bit more. Shark spotters. I'm actually getting tired from walking up here. Beautiful bay views, Muizenberg, all the way out to Strand, the distance. We've got Seal Island in the middle, then there's Roy Els, and then you see the tip there of the bay, Roy Els. And if I continue to the right, you will see Cape Point. So this is Falls Bay. When the ships would come in here, they would think they've already reached Cape Town, but they were wrong. So that's why it's Falls. Die Valse Bay.